In this question, you're given that fx is equal to ax minus c by cx minus a. And this is called y. You know that we call y as f of x. F of x is usually called y. So now you're asked to find f of y. It's an interesting question. So f of x is ax minus c by cx minus a. So what is f of y? So in one way, if x goes in, you get ax minus c by cx minus a. If y goes in, you get ay minus c by cy minus a. But you can see that the options are given in terms of x. So you need to convert this in terms of x. So what we do is, so a times what is y? We substitute y in terms of x again. So y is this. So in the place of y, we put ax minus c by cx minus a minus c divided by c times y is again ax minus c by cx minus a minus a. So in the place of y, we have substituted the value of y in terms of x. Now what is remaining is simplification. So you know how to take LCM. So if you multiply these two, you get a square x minus ac minus c square x minus ac divided by, here you get acx minus c square minus of acx minus a square. So as you can very clearly see, minus ac plus ac gets cancelled. So you get x times a square minus c square divided by, so in the denominator, acx and minus acx gets cancelled. You get minus c square plus a square. It is minus c square plus a square. So as you can very clearly see, this is also a square minus c square. So a square minus c square, a square minus c square gets cancelled. You get x as the answer. So f of y is nothing but x. So this is the answer to this question.